Wow, the vault is finally opened. It's here. 1999 box set. Can't wait to get this thing open. $19.99, the box set. Woo! $19.99. Super Deluxe Edition. 10 LPs plus a DVD. Man, this thing is packed. The estate did it right this time. They totally blundered the Purple Rain remaster. They rushed it. It just wasn't good. This is what it's supposed to be about. This is what I've been waiting all my life for the Prince box set. That is nice. The silver, super cool. Looks great. Oh, look at that on the back. One of my favorite posters ever. All right, so there you go. The remaster, I've heard great things about this. This is exciting. Look at that. They say 2000 party over. Oops, out of time. Tonight I'm gonna party like it's 1999. I'm as blown away by this as I was with originals. Originals was done well too, but this, man, this is just something else. Oh, it's even prettier with the cellophane off. Look at that. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. The lyrics to 1999 on the back. It is super heavy. I mean, it has got to be 7, 8 pounds, maybe 10 pounds. So we open it and it begins. Look at that. Whew, that's cool just by itself, huh? Love this artwork. Always have loved this artwork. It was just so cool then. It's still so cool. Just something about it when you see it, it's cool. Wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is awesome. So the first thing, out of the box, a beautiful book. Looks like a program from a concert with handwritten lyrics to hopefully all the songs. Oh wow, it looks like it is. How incredible is that? Sky Was All Purple by David Frick. Excited to read this book, to dig into this. I mean, we've gotten such great stories. Look at that, just such beautiful layout. To see all the lyrics. So wow, 1999. Fill You Up, Irresistible Bitch. Just these pictures are gorgeous. Oh, look at that. That's great to see the outtakes from this shot. This infamous shot, Prince. The outtakes. The reel-to-reels, just digging it. Purple music. Wow, the vault is finally opened. Great picture of Prince. Oh man. Prince Rogers Nelson. Glad to be a Nelson. All right, here we go. Looks like the actual album itself. Prince 1999 in its original awesome purple. Look at this. The original records, they're black. With the original poster, that's awesome. With the eye on the record. Onward and upward. The promo mixes and B-sides. This packaging is just phenomenal. I mean, it feels just great to hold these albums and to see all the work that's been put into these. Prince would be proud of this. He may not have liked it, but he'd be proud of it. He knew when he was going to be gone that his music was going to be shared. I mean, it's only right. The battles, he won all those. A 1999 calendar, look at that, how they show that. That's great. Isn't that beautiful? Prince, You're All I Want, Master. Vault Tracks 1. There it is. That's what it's all about. Let's open up the vault, shall we? Oh man, lyrics, handwritten lyrics again. I mean, his handwriting was so beautiful, and it's just amazing to see it all come together. This is truly the first actual vault collection, if you will. This is the first vault collection. Everything's got the eye. I love it. Rearranged, Bold Generation, by far my favorite so far. That's a great song. It's New Power Generation, the original. And as with Prince, with I think most musicians, the originals are always the best. Fill You Up, Irresistible Bitch, Money Don't Grow on Trees, another great single that just interesting to see the type of music Prince at that age was just exploring. So many genres. Woo, my heart's racing. It's just, this is thrilling. Really, it is. This is what I've been waiting a long time for. A great box set from Prince with vault material. It's just unbelievable. Another vault tracks too. And, you know, back in the 80s, one of the things I loved about Prince was the only guy that you'd see produced, arranged, composed, and performed by Prince. This album was truly mind-blowing. And we got the last one, if it comes out. Oh, look at that. Wow, I thought it was actually Jesse Johnson, Shockadelica. Looks like his album cover. Live in Detroit, November 30th, 1982, on vinyl. Great shot, look at that. Prince. He gave it all to us, man. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. These are just stunning images, stunning packaging. I just can't get over how wonderful this is. So he sings live Controversy, Let's Work, Little Red Corvette, Do Me Baby, Head. What a wonderful package. Prince, 1999. I love it. It's amazing. Live love. Prince forever.